Hey you guys, welcome back to Hannie Clark Creative. I am so excited to be able to do my first product review and share one of my favorite products with you today. So we're talking about mixed media this week, and so I am about to share with you a product that I use so often in my own mixed media art, and I've seen it used very often in other people's as well. So it's kind of a foundational product in the mixed media world. The product that I wanted to share with you today is matte medium. Matte medium is like, it's kind of like glue, but it's also like it helps thin your acrylic paint as well, to give it more of a matte finish, because a lot of times since acrylic paint it's pretty much liquid plastic, it has more of a shiny sheen to it, which makes it really hard to work with when you are trying to do mixed media art and you're trying to layer your art. And so matte medium does a great job of making your paint more matte so that you can actually draw over the top of it, say if you're going to use colored pencils or something. So I really love the Liquitex brand of matte medium. I feel like it has a really nice consistency. It's very smooth, it's very matte, and I don't know, Liquitex just gets it right. So matte medium, you can pick it up at your local Hobby Lobby, your local Michael's. I will also put a link to this product on my website at hannieclark.com. You'll find the link down below. So matte medium, some of the ways that I use it often in collage. I am constantly using it to put down paper elements. I'll also use it to thin my paint, like I said before. I'll use it to make my paint go farther if I'm running low on paint. I'll use it to make my paint more matte. I will use it to, gosh, so many things. But those are kind of the main ways that I use matte medium. So I highly recommend trying this product out. This is the professional level of this product. There's also a student level that's probably about half the price that you'll find in the same section at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So in my how-to video, I'm going to show you a few ways that I use this product, and hopefully that'll kind of give you some ideas so that you can make this great product work for you in your mixed media experiments. So matte medium, Liquitex brand, love it, it's awesome, check it out.